This is a bit of a niche tool that I designed earlier this spring. As the title suggests, it's actually for measuring turtles, though you may find some utility in woodwork, like a lot of the other tools I've designed and featured on this channel. Part of my wife's work is doing wildlife surveys, which includes doing measurements of some of our local turtle species. However, there was nothing really off the shelf, like a tool off the shelf that was really well suited to doing, both the measurement of the length of the carapace as well as the thickness, where because of the dome shape, you need to have really long jaws on the caliper in order to get like an accurate measurement. I didn't upload this originally in the spring because the first version I printed for, the sliding jaw had nothing to give it any drag or to retain it. So this one has the improvement of a grub screw, just like standard calipers have, to provide a little bit of drag, as well as another screw that retains the jaw. The grub screw uses a captured nut, and the retention screw is just self-tapped into the plastic because it only has to go in the one time. The retention screw keeps the jaw from falling off, but allows the full range of motion so that you can use the entire scale. The two parts use color change and are printed separately. In order that there be a line so that you could read a measurement, I printed the first layer of the jaw in the same color as the text, so it was printed in this orientation. The main body of the caliper was printed laying flat on the bed, and then the color change was done when the layers with the text began. If you'd like to print your own, you can find a link in the description.